Rocket Companies stock. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So the Rocket Companies, their headquarters is in Detroit, Michigan. It was founded in 1985 and it is a holding. So it consists of Rocket Homes, Rocket Mortgage, Rocket Rocket Auto, Rocket Loans, etc. But somehow I cannot find their website, so it's a little bit too transparent for me. And yeah, the IPO is just today. They just started selling their stocks, and the stock price starts with $18, and they sell 100 million shares. So the IPO, they could raise about 1.8 billion US dollars. So let's have a quick look at the stock price. So currently it's like $19.50. So the stock price, as you can see here today, it could increase roughly 8.5%. So that's all I know about this company. So if you have any questions, feel free, or feedbacks or comments, feel free to leave it in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming videos by also hitting the notification bell, and see you next time.